Hello guys. So this movie is requested by one of the guys on the comment section. The question was what camera I would recommend for reverse camera for BMW E60. I think that general idea and let's say my experience with those cameras can apply to any other car as well. So the thing that I've noticed, it's the viewing angle, which is like quite probably important part. Many sellers, as far as I can see, they advertise cameras saying that they got viewing angle 170 degree, and it's supposed to be the plus. So I bought two cameras, one which is normal camera without any extend viewing angle, and the second one with the extend viewing angle. One camera was installed for the backing plate numbers, so this is like the camera which is including the LEDs, and the second camera is for opening of the boot. So you got this as a handle. So the handle one is 170 degree one. Now I will compare both views from both cameras, and I will say why I think that one of them is better than other. So first, this car have 170 angle camera in my boot handle. So I turn the reverse gear, and now you can see the viewing angle. So this 170 degree, I will turn off the sound, is making this weird shape. So sadly, you might think that 170 degree is a good idea, but in practice is actually a bad idea, because few times I didn't notice the corner and I almost hit something. So when you got straight view, then you can see exactly the positioning where you are. With this view, you can't. Also, the boot camera, as far as I notice, is pointed down, so you don't see much of the distance when you're reversing, and that can be also a problem because some of the objects might just pop out as a surprise, especially if you got small bit to reverse. So I will say that this camera, it's not a good idea. 170 degree doesn't really work when you are reversing, because in my opinion you should see exactly what you got behind your car, not any misshapes, because those misshapes, they can mislead you. So I will say that this camera is not the best idea. Now I will show you the other camera, which is in other car, which is normal camera. It has been attached to the registration plate. So with this camera, you can see that the view is just normal ordinary view. You can see exactly what you see. Also, this camera is pointed slightly higher, so you can see more for the distance. So I will say that this is a big plus, because when you're reversing, you would like to know what is further ahead. So guys, to summarize, I will say the camera which is installed on the handle have sadly short range, which is not good when you're reversing. Also, the viewing angles, they giving you the false view on whatever is behind. So I will say that this is not a good choice. I will not recommend this kind of camera. The other camera, the one which is with registration plate, that's a good camera. That's actually brilliant camera, having proper view. It works, in my opinion, better even at the night time. I don't know if this is because of the positioning or because it's so close to LEDs. I have no idea, or maybe just because of the lens which is installed on the camera. But to me, it's giving more vibrant view. You can see more colors, you can see more light. I think that it works better. Only minus of this camera is that you connecting this instead of LEDs which highlighting the registration plates. So if you install not error-free LEDs, then you're gonna get error messages. So sadly, those LEDs which come with camera, they are not error-free. So I'm getting error messages every time I start the car saying that the LEDs are gone. So what I would recommend, if you will go for this camera, contact the seller first and ask if those LEDs are error-free. If seller doesn't know, then just change the seller, don't buy it. I spoke with my seller, he said that he was not aware about this problem. He said that no one reported this before, so he just didn't know about it. So ask the seller that had any kind of knowledge about this, because they should know if those LEDs are error-free or not. It's up to you. To be honest, the LEDs will still work. Everything will work fine. Only minus is gonna be this annoying error message. So it's up to you. This is not something that will impact your car, but Ideally, you would like to have no error messages. So personally, I would recommend the camera which is installed with the registration plate. If I will find some good camera which will be working without any errors, or maybe I will manage to find the proper camera for the boot handle, then I will add this camera to the link to this camera to the description of this movie, or to the comment section, one of those. So then I can share with you guys. So I hope this movie was useful. I hope it's giving you some more understanding of those cameras and what you should look at. So I hope you enjoyed the movie. I hope you're gonna have a good day, and thank you for watching. Bye.